Hey everyone, well I'm back today at this windrower and got her pretty much masked over. I'm pretty good with my overspray, so I might just put a little bit more. Well, actually I don't have to put any there because I'm not spraying any red, I'm just spraying red on the top. So I just gotta put some in front yet. Yeah, it's pretty much all masked down. Still gotta do a little cutting there yet. I got my decals or decals, whichever way you want to call them. They're all masked. You cannot get any decal kits for these. So I had to mask them off with painter's tape, and I cut out all the letters. As you can see, not too bad of a job. I've done this lots of times because we're too cheap to buy decals, so I did it a few times on some other stuff. We had the old combines, yeah. Anyhow, it's ready. I just got to do a little more sanding, blow it off, wipe it down, and I'm ready for spray. And I need actually probably a little bit more there, some paper. I ran out of paper. All right, let's get down to business. Okay, well I got some of the red on. I had to change my regulator. Regulator wasn't working. But I got the top roof finished. 3 coats on there. I did that the very first. And I'm spraying the header. Got the front of it all sprayed. I got to do all the nooks and crannies. Because it's fiberglass. It's a fiberglass hood. The hood is fiberglass. It's really a rough hood on there. And then I got rest of the body to do. So I should knock that off pretty quick, the first coat. I'll set up my GoPro so you guys can watch. But you can tell the difference between there and there. It's gonna look good. Okay. Then I gotta do the black after. Food. Well, I got done a while ago, but I didn't really finish because I ran out of paint. I thought that stuff I had in the pail would have been enough, but I got pretty much everything except the front part of the header, the back part of the header, where I put some primer there. That's where it was really rusty from the hay sitting there, and then it gets wet. And the front of the cab underneath there, as you can see. I got some cleanup to do. I got to get that paint off the cylinders there, and I also got silver paint for the wheels. Got to get some of that overspray. That's why I didn't care, because I had paint for that. And I got black paint for the rails and the reels. So it didn't turn out too bad. I'll see tomorrow. I gotta go order some new paint at Napa Auto Parts. And I have the code for this paint, so that's what they were looking for. I was gonna get some more, but I didn't know that you could that you couldn't get Case Red without a code, because I just thought Case Red was Case Red, but apparently there are different shades of Case Red. Anyway, that's it for today. I was filming with the GoPro, so I hope I got the footage on there. That GoPro is very finicky, my GoPro. Anyhow, yeah, gotta change the light in the back yet. And I got a new slow moving sign, so that's why I was saving paint. I didn't paint over it too much. Alright, well, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I have to go give a bottle to the calf, and we'll continue on that in the morning. Oh, this is another thing. I got the John Deere 4990 here. I just hooked it up. There's a pile of oil in the ground. So I think I have a bad pump seal. Didn't even do nothing. It must have went bad over winter. Because it sure, unless it was just barely leaking. It did. God, when we were greasing it, it wasn't leaking. But unless it had a small drip, it turned into a big one. So I disconnected the hoses so it don't leak anymore. And whatever's in the pump is going to leak out. So, another job. I was just going to take it and go cut tonight. But I gotta shut this door. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow.